Good day everyone. My assigned topic was Health and Diseases Spatial Distribution. And my journal is all about spatial analysis of malaria cases in Palawan, Philippines. A communicable disease is one that is spread through contact with blood and bodily fluids or through insect bites. This type of disease includes dengue fever, hepatitis A, B, C, salmonella, and malaria. Malaria is the primary focus of this research. It is spread through the insect bites. Malaria infection can be easily transmitted from one person to another if bitten by an Anopheles mosquito infected from the previous blood meal from another infected person. Because these parasites thrive in an infected person's red blood cells, they can transmit it via blood transfusion, organ transplant, shared use of contaminated syringes and needles, and from an infected mother to her infant. According to World Health Organization, nearly half of the world population is at risk. Malaria is present in 58 of the country's 80 provinces. The disease remains a major public health concern in the country. According to 2016 Field Health Service Information System or FHSIS, Palawan alone recorded nearly 95% of all malaria cases in the country. Malaria eradication has always been a difficult task that has led the government, health-related institutions, and other private sectors to collaborate. The government implemented the Malaria Control Program, which aimed to reduce the disease's burden while also promoting the socio-economic development of individuals and families in endemic areas. The program concerns included determining areas at high risk of the disease and the probable cause of it. This is done due to control the malaria outbreak and raise awareness about the disease. The Philippine GIS or PhilGIS Data Clearinghouse provided a province-by-province map. PhilGIS is a non-governmental organization that provides a simple and free portal for Philippine geospatial data for education and non-profit purposes. This map illustrates the percentile distribution of malaria cases in Palawan. The percentile source reflects the severity of cases in a certain barangay in comparison with other barangays. It can be observed that none of the barangays belong to the lower 1%, between 1% and 10%, and between 10% and 50% groups. Meanwhile, Barangay Iraan, Ransang, Panalingan, and Imulnod belong to the top 1% of the barangays. This indicates that these barangays have the most extreme number of malaria cases in Palawan relative to the other barangays. Also, most of the barangays belonging to the top 10% lies in the southernmost part of the Palawan. The second map shows the percentage distribution of clustering of the barangay. The third map shows the malaria cases using the distance band weight matrix with a cut-off distance of 8 km. This study suggests that the concerned institutions such as Kilusan Ligtas Malaria Office prioritize those identified hotspot barangays in Palawan in terms of disease control activities and the distribution of medical supplies and equipment among the province's health facilities. Furthermore, this research can be used to identify specific barangays that require additional rural health workers.